guys, welcome to Inspire to DIY. In this video, I like to share a really simple yet really beautiful tray that you can make using items that you already have at home. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. The main items we'll need is 2 of those 8x10 frames that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I also got the gray because I would not like to have to spray paint them. And next we will also be using this really nice silver gift bag that I also got from Dollar Tree, and we will cut it to size to fit in each of the frames. A list of all the items used for this project will be found in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. I really love the effect of this gift bag inside the frames. It makes it so beautiful. This can also be used as wall decor, but I'm gonna go ahead and glue both pieces together. I then remove any excess glue that were on the side of the frames. Next, we will need some silver beads and some acrylic gems. I have previously used this step for my last project. I'll leave a link to that down below in the description box. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and glue the acrylic gems to each of the silver beads. The reason I'm using this process is because I want to have a really flat surface when I'm gluing down the gems. I'll be using 4 of those beads to add legs to my tray, and the remaining will be glued all around the border of the frames. To create a really nice pattern around as I'm putting down the gems, I started gluing one gem on the first layer of the frame and then a second one on the second layer, and then I come back to the top and keep on interchanging. and this step will be repeated all around the border of the frame. For the top part of the frame, I will be using this rhinestone sheet that I got from Amazon, and I'll be cutting it to size and glue it all around it. For the shorter side, I'll be making handles using those cabinet handles that I got from Home Depot. I'll go ahead and glue them down using some fixed All Adhesive and also some hot glue. Also added rhinestone on the shorter side, and I will actually glue it on top of the handles as well. This is the final piece, you guys. Everything ties so well together. I really love the gift bag patterns. It was so nice, and I really love the crystal gems all around the borders as well. I really love and enjoy doing this project, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this as well. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and also do not forget to share with family and friends. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.